Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the OPPO Reno8 Pro and Pro Plus in a couple of minutes. Let's go. In addition to the basic version of Reno8, OPPO introduced the flagship models of the series, Reno8 Pro and Reno8 Pro Plus. Both new products received top-end processors, a triple camera with sensors from Sony, as well as a Merisilicon X neural processor to improve photo capabilities. It is the first smartphone in the world based on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip. OPPO Reno8 Pro is equipped with a 6.62-inch Samsung E40 LED screen with a resolution of 2400 x 1080 pixels, a frame rate of 120 Hz and a peak brightness of 1300 candela per square meter. The fingerprint scanner is sub-screen. The embedded front camera is with a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 sensor. The main camera uses sensors with a resolution of 50 megapixels, Sony IMX766, with OIS 8 megapixels, Omnivision OV08D10, and 2 megapixels. The battery capacity was 4,500 mAh, supported by fast wired charging with a power of 80 watts. There is also an NFC adapter. There is only one loudspeaker. OPPO Reno8 Pro is 7.57 mm thick and weighs 188 grams. The OS is Android 12 with ColorOS 12.1.1 interface. The creators guarantee that the smartphone will work for 3 years without loss of performance. Prices are as follows: 8 128ths of a gigabyte minus $450, 8 256ths of a gigabyte minus $480, 12 256ths of a gigabyte minus $525. It concludes the review. Bye bye.